Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Thrifty Shopping Cart. So today I'm going to share with you how eBay has added a new option when you have the app on your cell phone. There's a really easy way for you to search an item. You don't need to scan the barcode. You don't have to type it in. All you have to do is just upload a picture and eBay will do its best to find the product of the item. Because you know how sometimes you get stuck on description of word for you to maybe start with a really good way to get a really good description. Instead of you guessing what the item is, you could just take a picture. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right into the eBay app and you're going to click on the camera option. Okay, now it's giving you two choices. You could either image search, which is what we want, or barcode scan. Barcode scan doesn't work all the time depending on where your item came from. If you buy the item at a retail store, a lot of times it would work, but sometimes there are barcodes that are at thrift stores or a yard sale. You don't know how the person got the item or where it came from, so that barcode might have been from a reseller, a wholesale lot, or it could have been a discontinued item, and that barcode is no longer in service. So a lot of times that option is not even a good option to use, especially if you don't know the name of the item and you don't want to. You look a little suspicious sometimes taking pictures of items in the store, so you want a quick picture. So what you're going to do is go to image search. It is also giving you another option here. It said find the things you love by snapping a photo or grabbing one from your photo album. So you could take a picture live, or you could select from the gallery. So I already took a picture beforehand. We're going to just go ahead and select from the gallery. Now, you guys can see this is basically what I'm selling. I just put my cell phone on top of it. I'm selling a pack of 3-pack Calvin Klein underwear. So I already took a picture and I'm going to upload it. Now your picture comes up, you could either crop it or take it out, or sometimes less is more. So as you guys can see, I have a little mouse in the background, which is right here. It's also in the picture. So what we're going to do, once we're done getting the picture exactly how we want it, we're just going to go right ahead and click on the search option. Now eBay search engine is looking for the item of the picture that you just uploaded. So here it is. This is the one. So all I would do is I would click on this item right here, okay? And I would just go ahead, scroll to the bottom, and I am just going to basically just copy what the seller has. So I would click this option, sell one like this. Now once I click this option, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm not going to go ahead with the whole thing. I would just go ahead. Now we're also the same item, so it's not really copying someone's work. This is exactly what we're selling. But you don't want to copy their pictures. You want to take your own pictures. So because the reason why you don't want to use a stock photo, your item might have a dent on the box. It could be a tear on the box. It could be, it could just be not in a great condition as a stock photo. So when your customers buy the item, the picture you have uploaded, that's the picture of the item they want to see, right? So now you're going to click on the photos, and this is just to edit the description title. So then we'll go here and you just get the price. Now they have their price at $14.99. Now it's up to you if you want to sell it for that price. I usually like to go for $2 or $1 less than what my competition has. And then they have option of shipping, so it's up to you. You could either charge them $17 for the 3-pack and offer free shipping, or you could charge them $13 and have to pay for the shipping. So that's basically it, guys. I really hope that this video helps you if you're out there sourcing for items at thrift stores or retail arbitrage, and you just want to take a quick picture. Just go ahead, take a quick picture, upload it on your phone. And what you could do too is, maybe let's say you take a picture and you don't have time to do the listing right there, you could always save the draft. So if you save, it'll always save it. That's one way. You could save it. You can always go back and continue it. And I want to show you guys what that looks like. So if I went to save, and let's say I want to go to selling, right? And this is my actual page, actual eBay account page. I'm showing you guys here right now. So now it already saved it for me in the bottom. So these are some of the drafts that I have. So I have the new Calvin Klein. So all I would do is just click on that, and then I would just list it. So that's basically it, guys. So that is my video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know what you think about my video. And also don't forget to hit that bell button so when I make new informative videos, you guys could be updated. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.